Hello everyone, I'm Amulya PR from Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering and I belong to the branch CSE AI. So today I'm back with another video on the subject computer networks and on the topic real world applications of network in day-to-day life. So now let us look into the contents of what we're going to learn today. The contents are Introduction to Networks, Network in Communication, Network in Transportation, in Banking and Finance, in Healthcare, in Entertainment, in Smart Home, Network in Education Technology, Network in Emergency and Disaster Management, Future and Conclusion of Network. So now let us look into the introduction to networks. A network is a collection of interconnected computers, devices, or entities that communicate and share their resources. So, networks play a fundamental role in today's interconnected world, facilitating communication, collaboration, and exchange of information. So, this communication can take place in various forms, like such as sending data or sharing files or facilitating the real-time interactions like video calls. So network can be classified based on their geographical scope. So that is LAN, which is local area network. It is limited to a specific geographic area like home, office, or canteen, etc. So and then wide area network, that is WAN. It spans larger geographical area, which is often connecting lands across cities or countries. And then is MAN, that is Metropolitan Area Network. It covers a large city or a large campus. And then is Personal Area Network, that is PAN. It connects devices within individuals' personal space. So now let us move on to network in communication. So networks in communication refers to the interconnected systems that will facilitate the exchange of information among the devices and users. So in a network, computers, smartphones and other devices are linked, allowing the seamless communication through data transmission. So communication networks are integral to various aspects of daily life, which supports activities such as email, video conferencing, social media interactions, and access to online resources. So as technology advances, the role of networks continues to expand in the field of communication, which helps to connect, collaborate, and share resources in digital ages. Now let us say the network in transportation as an application. So networks in transportation refers to the interconnected systems that will facilitate the efficient movement of people or goods or any information from one place to another. So these networks will play a vital role in various modes of transportation, which includes the road transportation, railways, or marine, etc. So intelligent transport systems network for real-time traffic management or route optimization and vehicle communication, they can be used. So in aviation, the air traffic control network will ensure the safety of navigation of the aircraft. So in marine communication, networks will enable vessels to share data for navigation and safety. So these are some of the applications in network in transportation. So the next one is application in banking and finance. So network play a very critical role in banking and finance sector, which forms the backbone of modern financial systems. So these network will enable secure and efficient communication between financial institutions, which allows for seamless transactions of any funds or any data sharing. So the infrastructure to provide online banking services supports electronic payment systems and facilitate high frequency trading. And it also has the interconnected ATM networks which provide 24/7 access to funds, which will allow convenient cash withdrawals and transaction of the finance data. Next application is network in healthcare. So networks will play a vital role in revolutionizing the healthcare by enhancing the communication, coordination, and information sharing across the industry. So, in modern healthcare, networks facilitate the electronic exchange of medical records, which will enable seamless access to patient information or his treatment history or diagnostic data or any sort of health information. So, these exchange leverage networks to connect disparate healthcare systems. So then we have the telemedicine. So telecommunication network will support telemedicine, which allows consultations or any treatment through vital virtual platforms. Network in entertainment. So networks are integral to the entertainment industry, which will transform how content is created, distributed, and consumed. So we have seen certain streaming services like Netflix or YouTube or any Prime, Amazon Prime, or many more as that. So they will deliver high quality video content to global audiences through networking. Social media platforms for content sharing, audience engagement, and real time interactions will also include the networks. Then, online gaming networks will enable multiplayer experiences connecting gamers worldwide. So, these are some of the examples of application in entertainment field. So now let us see the applications of network in smart homes. So network play a very crucial role in implementation of smart homes. That is the IoT enabled, Internet of Things enabled. In smart homes, devices such as thermostats or lighting systems, security cameras, and appliances are connected through home automation network. So these will often use protocols like ZigBee or Z-Waves, which will allow for centralized control and monitoring. Smart homes network enable residents to manage and automate various aspects of their homes remotely using smartphones or voice commands. And then we have the network in education technology. So virtual classrooms. Interconnected networks will enable virtual classrooms and video conferencing, which will bring the remote learners and instructors together. And then is resource sharing. Network will facilitate resource sharing, which will enable vast digital libraries and research materials online through the network. Then online learning platforms. Networks will power online learning platforms which will connect the students and instructors for interactive sessions. Then we have network in emergency and disaster management. So during emergencies, communication is very much necessary. Networks will enable the first responders, emergency services, and government agencies to share information seamlessly. So this includes voice communication or any sort of data transmission and video conferencing. The disaster response is that it ensures rapid communication and resource mobilization during the disaster. Also, network will contribute to the establishment of early warning systems that will utilize various sensors, monitoring devices, and data networks to detect and alert authorities about the potential disasters such as earthquakes, floods, or severe weather events. Now we have come to the conclusion. So the future of networks is the 5G network. So 5G networks, which is already in use, is an enhanced connectivity enabling faster data transfer, lower latency, and greater network capacity. And the future is the AI. So AI integration with the networks will provide like very adaptive and optimized performance of the networks. So it will lead to a smarter and more adaptive environment. And then we have IoT devices which will lead to the fully integrated of Internet of Things, which will transform various aspects of daily life and industry. I thank each and everyone for watching the video completely till the end. I also request you to please like the video and share the video amongst your friends. I ensure to come back with another video of different subject. Until then, have a good time. Thank you.